Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to archive your Instagram reels without deleting them so that you can hide the old reels but still keep them safe. So let's just get started. Open up the Instagram application for that. And once you open up Instagram, you can look out for the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner and go over and find the reel that you've uploaded. So you can just go over and find the reel that you've uploaded from your main feed page. And once you find it up, you may just go over and look out for the three dot in the top right corner and select it if you find that option. And look out for the option of archive and tap on it. And that should archive the particular reel that you are trying to archive without even deleting them. This is one of the method available. Or from here, look out for the menu icon in the top and select it. And once you select it, you can just go over and tap on the archive option and open it up. And within archive, look out for the top stories archive and select it, and just select the option of post archive or the reel archive if available. And once you find it up, you can just go over and select up your reel that you've uploaded that you would like to archive and look out for the three dot in the top. And once you tap on it, select the option of archive and archive the particular archive. Or if you want to make it back to the main screen page, you can just go and restore it from the section by tapping on the reel and looking out for the three dot and tap on the option of show on profile if you want to go ahead and do so. This is the way you can just go over and unarchive and archive the reels that you've uploaded on Instagram. So that is it, everybody. This is very simple method you can do so. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials and hit the bell icon for more Instagram tips.